Now to NASA. New information today in the upcoming missions to the moon, part of a grand plan to send astronauts to a base to work and live on the lunar surface. Here's ABC's Sophie Flay.
New images from NASA show the agency's vision to build a sprawling base on the moon with living quarters, power stations, rovers, and drones. It could cover hundreds of square miles and serve as a launch pad to Mars.
We want to be in an environment where we can learn the skills so that astronauts can go and plant the stars and stripes on Mars someday.
The plans announced yesterday come just 6 weeks after the Artemis II mission sent astronauts around the moon for the first time in 50 years. This $20 billion moon base project will unfold in 3 phases. The first, kicking off this year. NASA will use drones and rovers to scout the best sites near the moon's south pole before construction begins in 2029. During that first phase, NASA plans to land on the moon nearly 24 times. And by 2032, it plans to send the first astronauts to live and work on the lunar surface.
With Moonbase, Artemis astronauts will stay longer, explore farther, and conduct the kinds of science that advances exploration itself.
It's an accelerated timeline aimed at outpacing China, which plans to land humans on the moon by 2030. NASA isn't going it alone, announcing new contracts with 4 companies, including Jeff Bezos' Blue Origin, which will build a lander to deliver rovers to the moon's surface. Elon Musk's company, SpaceX, is already under contract to build a system that will shuttle astronauts from the moon's orbit to its surface.
We are creating a future where exploration is not just an incredible moment in history, but the first foothold beyond Earth for all of humanity.
Sophie Flay, ABC News, New York.
And one big target date in this process is 2028. That's when NASA hopes to land astronauts on the moon for the first time since 1972.